Hey guys, Donovan, HAAF Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here in Bloomingdale, Georgia in Meadow Lakes, a Dream Finders community. This is the phase 1 part of it. They're about to start phase 2, but we're gonna check out the Emerald. This is a 3 to 4 bedroom home with 3 bathrooms and 2,283 square feet. This one has got a great bonus room upstairs. You wanna definitely check it out. So let's go check it out. All right, 2-car garage, check. All right, here we go. Covered porch, check. Door, check. Now I love the brick they got going on right there. It's pretty cool. Is it real? It's real. It's real brick. All right, we're coming in here in the flex room, not for flexing your muscles, flexing the room for maybe it could be a playroom, could be a dining room. I think this would make a great formal dining room right here because of its proximity to the kitchen. So LVP floor in all the living areas except for the bedrooms, obviously the stairs. Okay, any wet areas also gonna have the LVP, but then of course, great, boom, LVP countertops. No, just playing, this is quartz countertops. I like the pendant line they got right there. Plenty of storage here for any kind of dishes you want or pots and pans down here is great. Stainless steel appliances, love that. Phones talking to me, don't even care. You don't matter on my phone right now. Corner pantry, I like that. Now, in these homes, they come with the stainless steel appliances except for the refrigerator. But I like this spot too. You can put like a little circular table right here so you can eat, dining nook area, and then wide open living room area right here. This looks out to the sliding glass door right there, and I love that. You can fit, TV there. So I feel like that's where they want the TV. You could put like, what is those ones that do this? The sectional, sectional couch would be great. Perfect for the Super Bowl. I don't know if you can get in before the Super Bowl on this one, but next year, you can get in before next year's Super Bowl for sure. All right. Let's go into the primary bedroom. The Meadow Lakes, if you're not familiar where this is at, not too far from the Hyundai EV plant, which is great. That's why a lot of people come out here. Close to 16, you can get to Savannah quick. They got a lot of conveniences that are coming out here, and brand new parkers, which literally blew my mind when I drove. I didn't even know it was there. Brand new parkers, they got the QT coming. All that kind of stuff is great, but look at this room. Huge. You can fit anything you want, trampolines, like all that stuff in here if you want to. Rhinoceroses, maybe baby elephants, I don't know. And then, boom! This closet is huge. A flock of seagulls in here for sure. You got your dual vanity, quartz countertops. Of course, we're not gonna open this one. This is where you do number 2. And then you got your standing shower. All right, let's go check out the other rooms that are on this floor. So, you got 2 more rooms down here. You don't wanna miss the upstairs bonus room because that's a really, really cool spot. Probably, besides the primary bedroom, that's probably my favorite spot. All right, so you got your full bath right here with the quartz countertop, all that good stuff. If you've seen that one bathroom, you've seen them all. If you really want to get a closer look at that bedroom or that bathroom, give me a call, 912-657-3544, I got you. Nice sized rooms. You can fit king size bed in here. Right, so as I do this, that's the king size bed, then you put your end tables, but you're not gonna be able to fit much else. So I probably pare it down to maybe a queen. Same one, same thing in this bedroom right here. Same kind of dimensions. Let's go in here. Laundry room, right here by the garage. This could be a great mud area too as you're coming off the garage. You know, put your shoes or something, put it over there. And then, 2-car garage. Bang. Fancy water heater. I've never seen that before. I guess just telling you the temperature, okay. But if you've seen a 2-car garage before, you see, but this is a true 2-car garage. So if you wanna work on a car over here and have a car over there, motorcycles over here, elephants over there, whatever, you do that. Let's go to the back. Now, if you're watching this video and you can close by February 28th, you can get some really cool incentives on here. So give me a call if you're interested. Sliding glass doors, you can see. But man, look at the size of this roof. I mean, this is awesome. Plenty of space. You can screen this in to make it, because we get a lot of sand gnats out in this area. If you've watched my videos, you know what I'm talking about. But there is plenty of space out here for activities. You can put a little sofa, outdoor sofa thing, some tables, all that good stuff. And then got a little pond right there and telling you where you're at in Meadow Lakes. So yeah, by far probably my favorite spot. Like I said, besides the primary bedroom, but look at all this space in here. This could be converted into a bedroom if you wanted to put a door on there. Might be a little tricky, but you have to figure it out. But I would probably use this personally because I work from home as a in-home office. You could put 2 people in here, but I know that when me and my wife tried to do 2 people, 1 office, it was no good. Okay, it was a disaster. But it comes with a bathroom, and so this full bathroom. So, you know, you come up here, get some work done. Maybe you want to take a shower before you go downstairs, whatever. It's a great spot. Love this place. Check it out. So that was the Emerald plan from Dreamfinders Homes. If you have any questions about this home or any Dreamfinders homes, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.